If you made a killing in 2020 gambling in Vegas, you might be saying that this is great because this income cannot be taxed or found by the IRS, and as such, does not need to be reported. Here's where you are wrong. Even though it's true that you did make a killing off your good fortune bets in Sin City, one other party also made a killing, and that party is the US government. All gambling winnings are reported in the other income line of Form 1040. Now, if you have winnings under $5,000, you will not have any taxes withheld from your winnings. However, if you do have winnings over $5,000, taxes will be withheld from your overall payout. Gambling income is typically taxed at a rate of 24%. You might be saying to yourself at this point that you actually didn't win any money gambling this year and you actually lost a lot of money, and as a result, that money is going to be deducted from your taxable income. Now, this is true up to a point. You can only deduct gambling losses up to your gambling winnings. So for example, say you lost a bet for $5,000 this year. You may be saying that you can deduct $5,000 from your overall income. If this is the only bet that you made this year, then this is incorrect. You can only deduct this $5,000 if you made another bet this year that made you $5,000 or more. So if you won $3,000 on one bet and lost $5,000 on another, you would only be able to deduct $3,000 from your taxes to offset your gambling winnings. Gambling losses can only be deducted up to the point of your gambling winnings. There are always winners and losers in gambling, but even winners can be losers if the government discovers that proper tax has not been paid on gambling earnings.